आप सबको हम इस वक्त वेलकम कहते हैं. We welcome you in the beautiful city of Geneva, Switzerland, where we are gathered here today to have a protest and to raise the voice and awareness about the Christian community back home in Pakistan. We are here to say that we are standing against the violation of human rights of the Christian community back home in Pakistan, and we are gathered today to raise that awareness. And I'm so thankful that people have come from different parts of Europe today to raise that awareness, to be part of this beautiful protest and beautiful event here. हम सब इस जगह पर जमा हैं मुख्तलिफ हिस्सों से, जो कि यूरोप से लोग आए हैं, हॉलैंड से लोग आए हैं, जर्मनी से लोग आए हैं, फ्रांस से लोग आए हैं, और यहाँ पर स्विट्जरलैंड से लोग आए हैं, यूनाइटेड किंगडम से लोग आए हैं. We represent different organizations, we represent different churches, different parts of Pakistan as well. We represent different voices, but we are gathered here as one voice, as sign of a unity. हम यहाँ पर एक यूनिटी के साइन के तौर पर हम यहाँ पर खड़े हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि हम मसीहियों की आवाज जो है, जो कि हम यहाँ पर यूरोप में हैं, हमारे जो पीछे कौम है पाकिस्तान में, उनकी आवाज जो है वो पूरी दुनिया के ऐवानों में जाए. वो आवाज जो वहाँ पर हमारे दोस्त पाकिस्तान में उठाते हैं, यहाँ पर भी उठाई जाए. And I would like to invite honorable MPs who have joined us today, so they can be part of us, and we want to request them to come here and share their. We'll have to wait, as they're saying. We'll have more people coming out from more parliamentarians coming out. This is the reason why we are here. So it's not just that the fact that we will be just raising the voice in front of the walls. वो जो वक्त गुजर चुका है कि जब हम बंद कमरों, बंद दरवाजों के और दीवारों के आगे खड़े रहते थे और नारे लगाकर हम वापस चले जाया करते थे. लेकिन अब वक्त ऐसा है, खुदावंद का शुक्र इस बात के लिए कि जो यूरोपियन पार्लियामेंट है, उसके जो मेंबर्स हैं, वो हमारी आवाज को सुन रहे हैं. सो वो हमारे ख्यालात को समझ रहे हैं. वो पाकिस्तान की कौम की जो मुसीबतें हैं, उनसे वाकिफ हो रहे हैं. हमने यहाँ पर जो है वो ब्लास्फेमी लॉ के बारे में उनको बताना है. हमने उस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के बारे में उनको बताना है जो इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में मसीहियों के साथ रवा रखी जा रही है. हमने उस नफरत और उस तमाम प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बताना है जो हमारे बहन भाइयों की आवाज वहाँ पर दबाई जाती है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन व्हिच हैज बीन केप्ट फॉर सो लॉन्ग with our Pakistani Christians back home, that blasphemy laws which have been used wrongfully to accuse and land grab and so many reasons to persecute our Christian community, and then having the Christian community is considered as the B-class citizens or C-class citizens even there. And then we are raising our voice for Asya Bibi, one of our sisters who've been imprisoned for so long, wrongly accused of the blasphemy, and we are here talking about our restoration of our impression as Pakistani, and restoration of our nationality as Pakistani Christians, and the equal rights along with the majority Muslims and other minorities over there. तो हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी जो मसीही कौम है उसकी आवाज यहाँ पर बुलंद हो और लोग जो है वो इस चीज को जाने और समझें.
We want justice. 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 We want justice.
सारे इधर जो है इस साइड पे जमा हो, हमारे पीछे
सर्कल को बड़ा कर ले थोड़ा सा प्लीज,
इस तरफ को ताकि
सर्कल को प्लीज बड़ा करें. कोशिश करें कि हम काफी सारे लोग हैं, इतना छोटा सर्कल नहीं हमें चाहिए. प्लीज कोशिश करें थोड़ा सा, और इस तरफ को आ जाए ताकि हम
हमारे पीछे आए, हमारे पीछे आए, कैमरा के साइड पे
प्लीज आ जाए, इधर आ जाए प्लीज.
नहीं आपको नहीं पता जाएगा, सूरज आ रहा है कैसे सारे इधर खड़े हो.
उधर जाए
सारे जिस पोजीशन में हम खड़े हैं, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बैनर्स, आपकी रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो है, सो आप हमारे पीछे गैदर करें. एवरीबॉडी गैदर बिहाइंड अस. So we are waiting for 2 more people, and then we will be having speeches and thoughts from our honorable guests, members of parliament, European parliaments, and we are so honored to have them here. हमारे दरमियान में वो मौजूद हैं, हमारे दरमियान में वो आए हैं. हमारी आवाज़ जो है वो सिर्फ ईवानों की दीवारों तक नहीं बल्कि उन इंसानों तक जा रही है जो हमारे लिए कोई इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने यहाँ पर बैठकर कानून साजी करनी है. ये वो लोग हैं जिन तक अगर हमारी आवाज़ जाएगी तो हमारे लोगों के बारे में अवेयरनेस जो है वो बढ़ेगी, क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि पाकिस्तानी मसीहियों की जो मुसाइब हैं, मुसीबतें हैं, वो लोगों तक पहुँचे. These are the key people who are amongst us here, so then our voice can be heard in the Parliament of Europe. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
बोलो खुदावंद यीशु मसीह के नाम की जय. बोलो खुदावंद यीशु मसीह के नाम की जय. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice for Pakistani Christians who've been persecuted for so many years, and we will also be talking about all those participations which Pakistani Christians have been doing since the day when Pakistan was created, even at the time when Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who needed 3 votes to have Punjab being part of Pakistan, and it was Christian leaders of Pakistani Legislative Assembly at there who were the ones who voted in favor of Pakistan and in favor of Punjab being Pakistan. And we will also be celebrating the anniversary. We will be remembering all the martyrs of Peshawar bomb blast last year, जो 2 साल पहले यहाँ पर हुआ था. और पेशावर में we had the bomb blast. How many years ago? 5 years ago. We have 5th anniversary of Peshawar bomb blast, and so many people were martyred and killed in that bomb blast, and we are still suffering from the wounds of that problem. We will also be recognizing and talking about all those people in Johannabad who were wrongly accused and they were imprisoned as part of the terrorism bombs who were planted there by Taliban. But then, as a result of that, 42 Christians were imprisoned in Kotlakpat jail. We will be raising voice for those Christians, so then they should be freed. कौन ये आवाज चाहता है कि वो आजाद हो? We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice for Asia Bibi. We want justice. Asia Bibi के लिए justice. We want justice. हम चाहते हैं कि आसिया बीबी को आजाद किया जाए. कौन चाहता है? Free Asia Bibi. Free Asia Bibi. Free Asia Bibi. Free Asia Bibi. We stand with Asia Bibi. We stand with Asia Bibi. Hallelujah, hallelujah. और भी अगर कोई इस बात मैं ब्रदर रबिन्सन से दरखास्त करूंगा कि इंग्लिश में आप भी अपने तासुरात के बारे में बताएं यहाँ पर.
Thank you very much, and as you all know that we have gathered here to protest against all that is being done, and we know that in Pakistan the Christians are suffering badly. They are persecuted in the name of religion. They are not being given the status they should have as a citizen of Pakistan. I have lived in Pakistan for 61 years, and I have seen all these, what is happening, all those problems the Christians are facing. I have been with the martyr Shabazz Bhatti, working with him. I was the one to take him to the hospital from the spot where he was martyred. He was my close friend and associate. I've been advisor of the APMA, All Pakistan Minority Alliance, and with Dr. Paul Bhatti in the government. And I've seen how Christians have been mistreated there, from the very beginning, from Shantinagar to Gojra, to Sangla Hill, to Sakhar, to the Joseph Colony and Peshawar bomb blast, and many, many others. We have seen that the Christians have been target of all the atrocities which have been done in the name of religion, and they have been subjected to the third-rate treatment in Pakistan. I have seen that the blasphemy laws have been very, very wrongly misused against the Pakistani Christians over there, and many in thousands there are Christians who are suffering in jails, and there are thousands of people who have been victim of these laws. And we have seen that Christians in all spheres of life are being ignored good jobs, and they have only been given the jobs which are the 4th rated cleaning and sweeping jobs. So today we are here, and we are here to protest, and we are here to give our voice for the voiceless in Pakistan, and especially in Geneva. When our parliament members are here, we will welcome them here, and I will give the mic back to Pastor Taskeen.
So अगर थोड़ा सा सर्कल बड़ा कर ले,
थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाए आप भी, थैंक यू, थोड़ा सा और पीछे इसको आपने रखें,
किसी को पकड़ा दो, वो भाई की थी वो कौन, किसी को पकड़ा, उनको पकड़ा दो, स्क्रीन को पकड़ा भाई ये भी.
So we have our honorable guest, Dr. Mario Silva, who was part of the Canadian Parliament. So I'll pass on the mic to him, and he'll share his thoughts.
Give a big hand. Give a big hand.
Have a clap, please.
I'm not sure I need this. Do I need this? Or? Okay, just in case. Okay, just in case this is needed. But anyway, first of all, I want to say I'm Dr. Mario Silva, and I'm also the chair of the International Forum for Rights and Security. And I'm here to lend my solidarity and support for this march. This is a worthy cause, and I thank all of you for being here to raise the voices and concerns of what's taking place, the persecution of Christians in Pakistan, and also throughout many countries around the world. I'm here as the moderator, and we'll be saying some speeches just after our march. But first of all, I'd like to introduce a few people who would like to say a few words. Mr. Henry Malouse, who's the former president of the European Economic and Social Committee. If you can come up and say a few words.
Yes, thank you. Yes, hello everybody. So I'm French.
Excuse me, guys. Can you please get back?
And I'm proud to be here to join your march and to speak later on in the name of European Union Civil Society, which, as you understand, I was the president of European Economic and Social Committee, very active in South Asia. And I think we should really insist to the Pakistani authority, Pakistani government, to stop the blasphemy law, to stop all the discrimination against Christians, of course, first of all, and all other minorities. Why, in the same times, in the European Union, in Europe, we gave equal right to everybody, including to Muslims. Sometimes we even gave more rights because the Muslims have some policies excluding women from education, excluding women from sport and others. And in the same times, in Pakistan, mainly Pakistan, where the situation is worse, there's still discrimination, blasphemy, and this has to stop. Thank you very much.
Thank you. ये बैनर वाले आप इधर बैठ सकते हैं, बैनर इस तरह से हमारे सामने.
ये बैनर आगे लेके आ जाए. हाँ ज़्यादा. वो दूसरा बैनर भी दोनों. दायरा खुला कर लो. दायरा खुला कर ले. दायरा प्लीज बड़ा कर ले.
I have a few more people to announce before we start the march, and the next one I'd like to call up is Mr. George Holvney, who is a member of European Parliament. If you come up and introduce himself.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, thank you for the invitation. I'm happy to be with you and happy to sign of solidarity. And it's not by accident. Thanks God, I had the opportunity to be a co-chair of the working group in my own group, the EPP party, the working group for interreligious dialogue. That means that few of them, you have to know that we follow very closely what happens in Pakistan and other parts of the world concerning the Christian persecution. And it's not only the solidarity, we adopted different kind of resolution in the parliament after Lahore and after and the last year. That means we try to be an ambassador of you in the European Parliament, and we have to collaborate on different ways And on this reason is the most important thing. We have to get relevant information, and this is the information from today. And this protest have to be spared not only in Genf, not only in Switzerland, but in Europe. And what we try to do, and what we try to help for you. Thanks a lot.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Free, free, Asia Bibi. Free, free, Asia Bibi. Free, free, Asia Bibi. Free, free, Asia Bibi. Free, free, Asia Bibi.
Thank you. I'd like to now call Mr. Benjamin Blanchard, who's a member of SOS Chrétien d'Orient, which is Christian from the Orient. If you could just come and say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your invitation, and I'm very happy to be there to show you my solidarity support. So I'm French. I am the founder of the organization SOS Christians of the East. We are working in the Middle East, but in Pakistan too. And I was in Pakistan 1 year ago in the neighborhood of Faisalabad. And I show from my eyes how bad is the situation for Christians in this country. And especially I visited a lot of bricks factories, and I saw that Christian people in those factories, they are considered as slaves, in fact, and it's we cannot it cannot continue like this. And really, I strongly support your fight against this situation and against those horrible laws. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So we are so honored here today to be joined by these honorable guests and members of parliament and distinguished people who can actually be our voice. And thankfully, all of this cannot be done in Pakistan, and now we can actually stand here for our Pakistani community because we were born there and we are now here, but we can also pay back our respect and our loyalty to our nation. मसीह कौम के लिए हम कुछ जो कर सकते हैं यहाँ से रह के वो हम करेंगे. हालेलुया, हम सारे मिलकर करेंगे. और अभी यहाँ से हम अपने सेशन का इख्तिताम करते हैं. Next step would be the broken chair, and then we will start the protest from there, and we will start walking towards there. And rest of the speeches and rest of the event will be from broken chair. God bless you all. सारे बोलो यीशु मसीह के नाम की जय.